beach. Wow, with the beaches. Wow.
Your destination will be on the left.
What a weather! Wow, wow. Nice, what a weather in Cyprus. Yeah. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Ah, 40 degrees.
Bring one girls and dance. I'm going to dance.
Okay.
Start to dance.
Cool, I'll do that. Yes, there is our Rico Beach Tropical Dance Escape venue, guys. That's where we're gonna roll. Relax by the beach if you want. Chill, have a midnight swim. Yes, okay. Have a cocktail, chill. Lots of space. 2 party area. Okay. We're gonna have a 2 party salsa bachata area, kizumba, urban keys, talashina compa area. Yeah, for 1 week. And the night time, this will belong to us. Day social, same place. Okay? I'm here now doing some Sunday Fiesta beach party. Everything is sorted. Get your full pass. See you in September, 24th to 2nd of October. Ahí nada más.